Hey guys, so welcome back to the Delve Stack, and today I will be showing you how to join Marble Rivals Discord. So guys, it is very easy to do. You just have to simply open up a web browser into your device. Now you could just simply go to google.com and you could just simply search for Marvel Rivals Discord. And as you can see, you will have two options over here, whether you are going for the official Marvel Rivals or the Marvel Rivals LFG and competitive. And if you scroll down, you will have other server as well where Marvel Rivals tournaments. So pretty much from here, you should be able to have or see multiple channels that you can join in. So pretty much here, you could just simply select Marvel Rivals. And as you can see, it will look something like this. And from here, you could just simply select accept invite. So from here, you should be able to access the channel. And from here, you could just simply go ahead and connect your Marvel Rivals into your account, or you could just simply skip it. And from here, just simply provide the language on what you speak and provide the information needed in order for you to proceed with this process and provide your region as well. So pretty much this will grant you access to the server once you have finished the survey. And from here, as you can see, we are now on the server, and pretty much over here you can just simply see all of the information needed, the news, the servers, the chats. So pretty much everything is over here, and there we go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.